Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, we are watching here March 2024 board paper along with scoring key, and this is the fourth video where I am going to discuss Panchama Vibhaga along with answers. So this part is totally based on the grammar part as well as a few textual exercise, and it is of 17 marks. So in the very first part, that is Talika Purtim Kuruta, that is from based on noun tables, pronoun tables, verb tables, and as well as participles. So यहाँ पे चार पार्ट है, and in the इस part there are noun tables में आपको चार छः में से कोई चार करना है, but ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करके आपको अटेम्प्ट करना है. आई सजेस्ट टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल द आंसर्स. सो सी फर्स्ट वन, नाम तालिका. सो Shadta Chatu, and it is of 2 marks. So ek vachanam, that is table you have to draw, and here is Mala Shabd Tritiya Vibhakti. Dvivachan is given and ek vachan bahuvachan are required. In the second, Chaturthi Vibhakti required of Bhagvat word Takarant Shabd Bhagvat, and Bhagavate is given ek vachan. The dvivachan bahuvachan are required, and the in next last one, Janman Shabd Anand Shabd in Saptami Vibhakti, and Janmasu Saptami bahuvachan form is given. Rest you have to complete. So your answer should be like this. We just see आपका आंसर ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, और अंडरलाइन करो, ड्रॉ करके लिखो. डोंट जस्ट राइट द आंसर इन द ओपन बॉक्स, बट यू मेक द बॉक्स लाइक दिस वे एंड देन राइट द आंसर एंड अंडरलाइन करो. So the answer is Malaya, Malabhyam, Malavi of Tritiya. Then Bhagavate, that is Chaturthi Ekvachan given already. So Bhagavadbhyam, Bhagavadbhyah. And the Saptami of Janman. So Janmani, Janmanoho, Janmasu. Now come to pronoun tables. Again here यहाँ पे भी छः में से कोई चार ही अटेम्प्ट करना है, बट ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल द आंसर्स, ट्राई टू राइट ऑल द फॉर्म्स. एंड हियर रिक्वायर इदम शब्द प्रथमा विभक्ति फॉर्म इज गिवन ऑफ द्विवचन. सो द्विवचन, रेस्ट एक वचन एंड बहुवचन आर रिक्वायर्ड. सो सीइंग द फॉर्म इमो, we come to know that this is either this is pulling shabd. So ayam imo ime is answer will be. And see here, ayam imo ime, तो ऐसे आपको लिखना है. Second one is Kim table, and it is either pulling or Napunsak form, and Panchmi Vibhakti forms are required. Ekvachan is given. So Kasmat, Kabhyam, sorry, here one mistake is there. So let me correct. So Kasmat, Kabhyam, Kebhya, and Sapni Vibhakti, third table in feminine form. Sing Tasu, we come to know. So Tasyam Tayoho Tasu are the answer of third table in feminine. Now come to Kriyapad Talika. In the very first, Lut Lakar forms are required, and the Vibhakti Purush is Pratham Purush, and word is Drushpasya. So its answer is, just let me correct here. So the answer is Drakshati, Drakshata, Drakshanti, a future tense Lut Lakar of Drushpasya, Lang Lakar of As Dhatu, so Asihi, Astam, Asta, and lat lakar of lik, to likhami, likhavah, likhama, uttam purush. So you can see underlined word forms. So you have to write like the same way. Now come to dhatu sadit visheshan talega. So in the very first, kath ten upa ta pratyay required. Tabatu and Krityaha are given. Again, Satrushanach forms are required. So see, Kathitaha is the answer. Kathitvan is already given. Kathya is already given. And Kathayan or Kathaya Manaha. Kathayan is according to one means according to Prasmepad, and Kathaya Mana is according to Atmanepad. Now Lab one apa, and the form is given Labdha Akta Pratyay. So Labdhavan will be the answer of Tavatu Pratyay. Labhya will be Krutyaha Pratyay. I have taken one form, और बाकी भी आप लिख सकते हो, बट मैंने एक लिखा है. And Labhmana is already given. Then Pro Adhik with 6 purpose, and its answer is a form is given Pravishta already. So Pravishtavan will be its answer of Tavatu Pratyay. Praveshya is already given, and Provision will be in Kshatriya Shanas Pratyay. So this is the answer of Dhatu Sadhit Visheshan Talika, means noun and pronoun as well as verbs tables based questions and answers. Now come to Nirdishtaha Kriti Kuruta, that is our part, and Nirdishtaha Kriti Kuruta means do as directed, and Chatutah त्रीणी, सो थ्री आउट ऑफ फोर, सो इट इज ऑफ 9 मार्क्स। सो यहाँ पे चार में से आपको कोई तीन क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है, एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज बेस्ड ऑन नंबर। सो योग्यम रूपम लिखित्वा रिक्त स्थान पूर्तिम कुरुत एंड पंचतः त्रीणि। सो हियर इज 3 मार्क्स, सो तीन कोई करना है पांच में से। द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज श्री कृष्ण देवक्या अष्ट अपत्यम, तो अष्टमम अपत्यम दैट इज क्रमवाचक रिक्वायर्ड। सो आपका आंसर ऐसे आना चाहिए और इसको अंडरलाइन करो, अष्टमम अपत्यम। देन सेकेंड नंबर वर्षस्य, दैट इज वर्षस्य, वर्षस्य चतुः, फोर नंबर इज गिवन एंड इट इज आवृत्ति वाचकम, तो चतुः और चतुर्वारम परीक्षा भवति। तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू राइट चतुर्वारम, दैट इज सिंपल फॉर्म एंड सिंपली यू कैन राइट। In the third, Bhagavata Vyasena, in the bracket word digit is written 18, so it will be, and the instruction is given Sankhya Vajagam. So Bhagavata Vyasena Ashtadas Puranani, yes, spelling is, let me correct. Puranani Rachitani is the answer of this. Then Gha Bharat Shasanena, 3 is given in the bracket and Kramvachak is required, and the next word is Chandrayanam, that is Napunsakling. So its form will be in Napunsakling. So Bharat Shasnena Tritiyam Chandrayanam Preshitam, and the last one Ashtadhyayi, Ashtadhyayi Namni Granthe, 8 is given in the bracket Ashtadhyayaha Santi. So that is Sankhya Vachakam, and Ashtadhyayi is pulling. Uh, then two means whether it is pulling, but after four number will be same in all the three genders. So answer is Ashtadhyayi Namni Granthe अष्ट अध्यायाः सन्ति। सो दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट आंसर, आपका आंसर ऐसे होना चाहिए, अंडरलाइन करो। नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन समास। सो समासानाम तालिकाम पूर्तिम कुरुतः। अगेन आई सजेस्ट ड्रॉ इन द सेम वे एंड राइट आंसर लाइक दिस वे, और अंडरलाइन करो। सो फर्स्ट वन इज प्रत्यहम, and pratyam is the samast padam, vigrah is given ahani ahani and दो बार रिपीट हुआ है, and this is prati is a very first word, so it is abjayi bhava। Second one will be jalam dadati iti, that is uppa tatpurush samas sign, so its a form is, its a samast padam will be jaladah, because dadati indicating ek vachan, so jaladah, and it is uppa tatpurush samas। Third one is asatyam, no satyam, no starting में आया, so it is नए तत्पुरुष समास। see the spelling, नए तत्पुरुष, तत्पुरुष spelling is wrong, so नए तत्पुरुषः। fourth one is व्याघ्र भल्लुको, तो व्याघ्र च भल्लुकः च will be the vigrah form, and it is iterator द्वंद्वः, iterator द्वंद्व spelling, let me correct, iterator द्वंद्वः। and last one Pannag Bhushanah, so Pannag Bhushanah is Pannagah Bhushanam Yasasa, it is of Bahubri Samas। So this is Samastpat Talika। Now come to next, that is समास समानार्थक शब्दान विरुद्धार्थक शब्दान लिखता। सो पंचतः त्रीणि, अगेन 3 मार्क्स। सो समानार्थी विरुद्धार्थी शब्द एनी थ्री यू हैव टू राइट। तो पूर्णतः इज वेरी फर्स्ट इज अपोजिट वर्ड, विरुद्धार्थी शब्द, सो पूर्णतः का आंसर आएगा पृष्ठतः, अंडरलाइन करो। सुगम समानार्थी शब्द रिक्वायर्ड पर्यायवाची शब्द, सो सुगम का सरलः। देन थर्ड वन इज सूर्य, अगेन समानार्थी शब्द रिक्वायर्ड, सो दिनकर और भास्कर, सो मेनी नेम्स आर देयर बट सिंपल वर्ड लिखो। फोर्थ वन इज अनित्य, सो अ निकाल के लिखो नित्य। पिता इस समानार्थी शब्द इज जनक। सो दीज आर द आंसर ऑफ समानार्थक शब्दान। नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस पार्ट इज सूचनानुसार कृति कुरुत, and it is again 3 out of 5 you have to write, and of 3 marks। So very first is sah mahodayam upgamya vadati, that is 11th abhyay form, and it is asking पूर्व कालवाचकम लेब्यंत अव्ययम, 11th अव्ययम निष्कास्य वाक्यम पुनर्लिखित, that means rewrite the sentence, just drop him upgamya, it means dropping means change this form in proper verb form, so that is 11th abhyay form, so its a form will be vadati, according to vadati। so the answer is सह महोदयम उपगच्छति वदति च। सो ये दो चेंजेस आएगा और इसको अंडरलाइन करो। सेकेंड वन इज मे आत्मा कृतार्थताम लभताम वाक्यम लंग लकार्य परिवर्तित, तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक वर्ड को आपको चेंज करना है, लभताम, एंड द आंसर विल बी मे आत्मा कृतार्थताम अलभत Then Go toya kim drishtam vachya parivartanam guruto. Change the voice in active or passive according to given sentence. So the sentence is given in passive toya kim drishtam. So its answer will be Tom kim drushtavan. For gha is bhavan swikarotu. And it is said here instruction is given भवान स्थाने त्वम योजयता. So भवान को त्वम से रिप्लेस करना है और जैसे आप रिप्लेस करोगे तो आंसर आएगा त्वम स्वीकुरु. उसका इम्पैक्ट वर्ब पे आएगा and it become madhyam purush. And the last one chhatra lekhanam likhati, that is adhyapaka nijantam gurutam, make nijanta. So the answer will be adhyapaka chhatrena lekham lekhayati. So this is the answer, this is the fifth part answers, and I hope understood. And you also understood how to write the answer. So do writing practice again, because the paper is very close. And if you are doing writing practice and the exercise which are given in your textbook, only do that textual questions, and definitely you will get full marks in fifth part. And again, I'm telling you, fifth part and first part is very important, and you try to get full marks over here. So thank you watching my video. And the last video is remaining of this part, where I will discuss sixth Shashtha Vibhaga. So keep on watching.